Good morning. We have this ILX we're going to repair. The whole front was damaged. It's got a new wheel, new suspension, airbags deployed. We're going to put a used door, blend the rear door, fender, hood, bumper, blend. And we're going to find out about this chip right here, what we're going to be doing with that. It's not an estimate to fix. Got the car disassembled. We're gonna test fit all the new parts, make sure everything lines up. Getting a new bumper, the used door. Alright, we got the door, sanding it down in 320, gonna seal it. Cut in the inside, fender, seal, hinges. We had the bumper ready, but we noticed it had a damage, so we went and got another one. So we'll do that tomorrow, then we'll blend the hood, A-pillar, fix the chip, blend the rear door, assemble, should be good to go. So we'll bring it back. Got all the parts and sealer, let it flash. I'll go ahead and put my first coat on. First coat, and then like nib out any dust nibs, and then I'll put the last coat and a half on. Base, flashing, 2.5 coats. Ready for some clear. I'll mix it up right now. All right, out of booth. Came out pretty good, pretty level. Hinges painted over here. Put more paint on them than factory does. Fender. Walk over to the car, scuffing the door for blend, and then we're gonna do the same for the hood. That's drying. And then we'll do the same for the hood. Got a little chip. Put some combi in that. Bring it back. All right. Hood, I blended it, but then I took it all the way over here. We had some little areas of chips, and I just wanted to make it nice and uniform. Sometimes on a metallic blend, if you try to stop it in one area, it just gets difficult. So I took it all the way and cut it off right here. Door, blend. A-pillar, I'll mark off with the clear 1, 2, and then burn it in here. Bring it back. So these are the results from the 4. I took the hood off because it was only 4. It was only 4 bolts, and I get a lot cleaner job. Quicker too. My opinion. A couple specks of dirt here and there. I'll run a buffer to it, clean her up, and I'll do that off the car. The door. pillar. And then we'll do a buff right here. So we're just about good to go. Well, here it is, all done, at least my part. Airbags still need to get done, but paint's all done. It looks beautiful. The hood, blended. New bumper, fender, fender, A-pillar blended. New door, used door, rear door blended. New pillar on the bottom, rocker pillar panel. Didn't buff the fender, didn't buff the door, didn't buff the door, didn't need it. Buff the hood. That's it.